Alright guys, welcome back to Kiamichi Shorelines, guys. There goes my friends, guys. They slowed down for me to get my video on and stuff like that. I thank them for that. I thank them. And alright guys, welcome back to Kiamichi Railroad Shorelines, all by Genesee and Wyoming Corporations on the hot rails, guys. I barely caught them, but I'm glad I caught them. Full moon. Woo! Alright guys, sorry about being dark. But this is that's the first time we've seen that light off at the city. Well guys, they waved at me, but it's dark, so. Oh man, I dropped this too. Hope I didn't hurt the charger. Hope I didn't hurt my charger. Well, like I said, I hope I didn't hurt my charger, guys. Alright guys, I'm about to head home, guys. Better get out of here. So guys, thank you for watching Kiamichi Railroad Shorelines, all by Genesee and Wyoming Corporation, guys. Be safe through COVID-19, and hopefully soon we'll be shaking hands and hug and stuff like that real soon. But guys, have a safe good night and catch you guys later. See y'all tomorrow night. Marshall night, thank you for watching, and I hope y'all had a good day. Which also, guys, always make sure you always update your fishing license, or you will get a warning or a ticket for not updating your license this year if you don't got a license for a year, or just an autistic, or known as autism. If you got autism, you can have a lifetime fishing license, which that costs a lot of money, but I think it might cost less. But whatever, guys, always update your fishing license, or you will get a warning or a ticket. But they can give you a phone number like this here for you to contact them and show them your new license, so that you have proof you got a new fishing license, so they don't ticket you for not having one. So guys, always be cautious, and always make sure your fishing license, if you're residential, if you're fishing on residential, you gotta make sure your license is up to boot for 2020, and always renew your license on New Year's. That's what I'm gonna do for New Year's. So, all right, guys. So guys, now I'm up to boot now. I can fish now. But I want to keep this for remembrance, and I can show this to the game warden, so that way, you know, this type of stuff. But they're always out, guys. Out there, coronavirus, COVID-19. They're looking for people who's weak meat. Weak meat means, well, they're out for anybody, but they're mostly out for people who's out fishing out in public places. If you have a public pond, you're good. They cannot bother you there. Well, guys, have a good night, and be careful. And I'll catch you guys later. Marshall, thanks for watching Kiamichi Railroad Shorelines, all by Genesee, Wyoming, on the hot rails. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching KRR. If I miss anything out, I'm sorry. But guys, I'll catch you guys later. Marshall, thanks for watching.